So video recording is started. Now today we are discussing what is cloud. What is cloud here? So cloud is nothing but internet. Cloud is nothing but internet. So in this internet, suppose this is the cloud. This is the internet. We are using resources from internet. Okay, we are using resources from internet. Like which type of resources we are using? Which type of resource we are using here? We are using servers and database and storing some files and data. Okay, database and storing some files or data. What we have that data, and whatever it is, like suppose some hosting we are doing with this internet. We are creating the IP addresses, like that. So many things we are using from internet. This is nothing but a cloud. Internet is nothing but a cloud. We are using some various resources. What we created here, that is the resources here. So in this cloud we have flavors. AWS is one one flavor. Amazon Web Service. Amazon Web Services and GCP. Google Cloud. Google Cloud is GCP and Azure. Microsoft. Right, and IBM. IBM have separate cloud. IBM is organization. IBM organization have separate cloud. So like this, some etc. We have clouds. Let us we discuss about now AWS. So in this AWS, we are creating servers. Servers is nothing but VMwares and storage S3 and DB database and DNS domain name service and SNS simple notification service and SQS simple queue service. I will tell later. And CloudWatch for monitoring. So what we are creating the servers, we are monitoring that. What we have data, we are monitoring that by using CloudWatch and DV and domain name service. Why we are using domain name service here? So I have IP. I can't share IP with users. That's why I'm sharing domain name like this, swiggy.com. It is used to users to use our application. What we created that application, users will use here like that. Wait, tab has crashed. Wait, give me a second. How many have connected here? మీకు డైరెక్ట్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యి ఏమన్నా అడిగిందా, లేదంటే డైరెక్ట్గా జాయిన్ అయిపోయారా?
నెక్స్ట్ అయితే 59 మంది అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుని
వెయిట్, మనోజ్ గారు అడిగారు. సో హలో, ఓ ఐ కాల్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఏమని చూపిస్తుంది మీకు జాయిన్ అవుతుంటే అక్కడ? ఓకే, అట్లా కదండి. ఓకే, జాయిన్ జూమ్ మీటింగ్ అని ఉంది కదండి, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. ఫస్ట్ డైలీ అని కాకుండా జాయిన్ జూమ్ మీటింగ్ ఉంది కదండి, జాయిన్ యూఎస్ 06 వెబ్ డాట్. ఓకే, మొబైల్లోనే కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతుందండి ఈజీగానే. అంటే మనం పైన డైలీ అని చెప్పేసి పెద్ద లింక్ ఉంది చూసారా, దాన్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తుంటే సమ్ అన్వాంటెడ్ ఫైల్స్ డౌన్లోడ్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మనం జాయిన్ మీటింగ్ అని చూసారా, అది క్లిక్ చేస్తుంటే అప్పుడు మనకి ఆల్రెడీ జూమ్ అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి డైరెక్ట్గా ఇలా కనెక్ట్ అయిపోతాం. ఓకే, సో here we are giving Swiggy application like this. SNS, simple notification service. హలో వెంకట్, ఎట్లా ఉన్నా?
హలో బ్రో.
యా, ఓకే, నౌ మై స్క్రీన్ is visible.
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, fine.
Yes,
So just
yes.
now I started AWS.
యా వెంకట్. ఓకే
మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఐడియా ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళలేదు. సో
సరే వెంకట్.
యా సో here SNS service, simple notification service, simple queue service, and CloudWatch for monitoring. So like this we are using our cloud. In this cloud we are doing deployments. By same servers we are using here, same servers. So whatever the servers we used before we created Ubuntu server and Linux server, same server we are using here also. See, deployment, we know that what is the deployment? Simple, we are running the code in server, is nothing but deployment, right? So here VMs are there, it is nothing but servers, right? We are deploying our code in this server. AWS provide deployment also, but why we are using DevOps for deployment? In AWS cost efficiency is more, that's why we are using DevOps. That too, DevOps servers, VMs, server is nothing but VMs, right? In DevOps containers are there. What is container? Container also server, but it is lightweight. Sir, why it is lightweight? Why it is somewhat more weight? Okay, see, in AWS we are using some different servers. In DevOps we are using lightweight servers. ఏంటి సార్ ఇది లైట్ వెయిట్ అంటున్నారు, ఇదేమో మోర్ వెయిట్ అంటున్నారు, ఏమన్నా బరువులు మోస్తాయా అంటే కాదు. సింప్లీ ఇన్ AWS already some packages are including is this server. Packages are including in this server in AWS. So that's why it is somewhat, it is not less weight. Simply it is not less weight, but here it is lightweight. Why it is lightweight? Nothing is there. If we want to any packages, we need to install each and every package. That's why it is lightweight. Suppose here we took 10 GB. Okay, 10 GB will come this server. I mean, how much GB we are taking, that much GB it will come, and we are using this server. But here for these packages, suppose 10 GB we took here. For internal packages it take 4 GB or 3 GB like that. So rest of the 6 GB we are using here. And why nowadays all are connecting to cloud? So we'll go with, first I will tell what is the on-premises and what is the cloud. Already I said last class, I think, on-premise server and on-premise server and cloud. What is on-premises and what is cloud? So on-premises servers also same. On-premise servers also same like as cloud servers, but here same we are using virtual machines. But here only for office purpose we are using here. If you go out of the office, we are unable to use these servers. Today I created 10 servers and deployed one application here. Deployed one application here. Tomorrow I went to Mumbai. I need the same application in Mumbai also. Okay, same application in Mumbai also. How it is possible? On-premise servers is only office purpose, but I need in Mumbai also. It is not possible. It is one drawback here. So same we stored data in on-premise. Otherwise, we created one file in this server. Same the server we need in some other location. Other location. How it is possible? Another drawback. So if we'll use cloud, whatever same server VMwares we able to use in remote location also. Today we created in Hyderabad. Tomorrow we are using the same server in Mumbai. Because of his cloud, simple cloud need user and password. User and password we are connecting and we are using wherever we want in the world. It is simple to use, but we need to pay for cloud servers. For AWS or whatever it is, we need to pay. Let us take the AWS. How much we need to pay, sir? So today we are using 10 servers. Let us think about each server 1 rupee. Sorry, 50 rupees. 10 servers we are using for 1 day. How much it is? 500 we are paying per day. Okay, per day we are paying 500 rupees for 10 servers. For 10 servers we are paying 500 rupees. Tomorrow we no need 10 servers, we need only 5 servers. 5 servers. So 50 rupees, same 50 rupees into 5. 250 rupees we are paying. And we are using Swiggy application, right? Swiggy gave some offer today or tomorrow. It is some Swiggy giving a offer. We need to add more servers because of some load will increase, right? That's why we are using more servers here, up to 20 servers. 20 servers we are using. So same 50 rupees and 20 servers we are using 1000 rupees we are paying like this. So every day we are paying like this. So I want monthly we want, suppose let us think daily we are using 10 servers, average 10 servers. I will pay monthly like that. How many servers it will take? 300 servers. 300 into 50. So 15,000 something we are paying. Right? 15,000 we are paying. So same like as yearly based. Yearly based, some average 5 lakhs rupees. So if you'll use yearly basis or monthly basis, if you'll ask to AWS or any cloud, they will give some discount. Not only మనం యావరేజ్ బేసిస్లో 5 lakhs అని 15,000 అని అట్లా తీసుకున్నాం. యాక్చువల్గా అయితే క్రోర్స్ ఆఫ్ అమౌంట్. వన్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ దే విల్ యూస్ crores of amount or lakhs of amount. So discount they will give like 70% discount or 60% discount, so or 50% discount, like that AWS will give it. Not only AWS, whatever so here we are using this. Give me 1 second. So discount they are giving, right? So I will go with discount, 1 year discount. In that 5 lakhs we need to pay some 50% discount, 2,50,000 only. It is better to use the AWS, right? Better to use AWS. Coming to on-premises servers. So in on-premises servers, how many servers we are using, we don't know. Here we are paying each and every server, each and every time, or yearly base or monthly base. But here we already bought 100 servers for year. Here discount is not there, anything is not there. We already bought 100 servers for year or 1 day or 2 days. Suppose my project is started today, Swiggy project I am deploying now. Developer wrote the code and we are using, and Swiggy project running on 10 servers. Today we need to start this 10 servers, right? We buy 10 servers. Tomorrow we are giving servers, we are adding some more 10 servers here, and again we buy 10 server, totally 20. So in this 20 servers we are using, some amount we paid, like 1 lakh we paid. If you want again 10 servers, we need to pay again 10 servers. If you want 10 servers, we need to pay 10 servers. The cost is getting more day by day, but here how much we are using, that much we are paying. Whatever the server, not only service, whatever the resources in AWS, we are paying how much we are using, that much only we are paying in AWS. But here we are paying servers, database is separate, storing database is separate, everything it is separate. But here how much we are using, how much that much we are going to pay. Understand up to here? Any doubts? Hello?
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah, Venkat.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah. So if we'll talk about Linux, you know already Linux. What is Linux? Operating system. In this operating system, we are using Linux as a GUI mode and command mode. By using Linux commands, we are running the CLI, command line mode. What is the command line mode we are using? DevOps, suppose we are running any DevOps here, what we are creating the files and all, we need Linux here. Without Linux we can't do in CLI mode. Okay, Next we need, I want to create one file here. I want to create one file here. Command is there, create file, touch file. Touch is a command, file is a file name. So this file I want to move. Suppose I want to create one folder also. Mkdir is a command. Directory, we used to call here directory, not folder. Folder is nothing but a directory. So suppose మనకు ఫొటోస్ ఉంటాయి. ఫొటోస్ అనేది ఒక ఫోల్డర్లో పెట్టుకున్నాం. సో మై నేమ్ is Venkat. So I created Venkat folder and I am uploading the photos into that folder. Same here also, we have 10 files. 10 files for code, Swiggy code, and another 10 files for another code, like suppose some anything Pani Puri's project, that code, another 10. So I am going to move these files into directory 1. That directory 1 I gave name is multiple projects. Otherwise we'll do one thing, not like this. Swiggy, right? Swiggy directory. Without confusion I am writing. In this Swiggy we have so many resources are there, like biryani and some shawarma and burger. So many things are there. Burger, so many things are there. So I am uploading Swiggy items in Swiggy folder. Okay, we are right, biryani one code is there and shawarma one code is there and burger separate code there. We need to combine all the code and we are going to deploy one project here. That project is Swiggy project. Same like Pani Puri is there. Pani Puri also, in that Pani Puri is there, and I don't know that names, forgot as well. Day-Puri, some puris are there, different Day-Puri means Kadpuri, right? So some different names are there. We are all are putting in one directory. So all things are fine now, but same code like Pani Puri is there, right? Here also in Swiggy Pani Puri is there. Now we need to merge this one and this one, or copy from here to here. Code, same code is there. If you'll copy, only copy file will go. If we'll move, total file will move. But I want to do copy here to Swiggy directory. How will copy? cp is a command, source and destination. Okay, source and destination. If we'll move, md command is there, same source and destination. Like that we are using commands here. Suppose let us take the cloud here. We have servers, right? We have servers, cloud servers are there. We have 10 files are there in server. We need to copy from here to USA. I have one example for this. A lot of Telugu people, yeah. Manmadhudu movie is there, right? Nagarjuna movie. In this Nagarjuna movie, they went to USA for meeting client. USA వెళ్ళి client meet అయ్యి some whatever the data they will take from here. I mean ఆ డేటా అంతా తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ బిల్డ్ చేసి ప్రాజెక్ట్ని మళ్ళీ ప్యారిస్ వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళు సబ్మిట్ చేసి వస్తారు, లేదంటే ప్యారిస్ నుంచి అతను వచ్చి దీన్ని చేస్తాడు. వాట్ ఆర్ ద క్లైంట్ బిఫోర్ మనకి క్లౌడ్ లేనప్పుడు, మనకి క్లౌడ్ లేనప్పుడు కూడా సేమ్ ఐటీలో ఏం జరిగేదంటే సమ్ మేనేజర్స్ అందరూ కలిసి వెళ్ళి హార్డ్ డిస్క్ ఆర్ సమ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ల్యాప్టాప్స్ దే టుక్, హార్డ్ డిస్క్ ఆర్ హార్డ్ డిస్క్ అని చెప్పి హార్డ్ డిస్క్ కానీ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ కానీ తీసుకెళ్ళి అక్కడ ఉన్న డేటా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంతా తీసుకొని మళ్ళీ ఇండియాకి వచ్చి ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేసేవారు. జస్ట్ గివ్ మీ సెకండ్.